this is Blaze Pizza. So they have a very different way of ordering. So once you place the order, you can select all these ingredients. There are multiple pizzas here. So this is the menu, one of the menus. Yeah. This is also the menu. Right. Thank you. And you can build your own pizza as well. So this is the different types of condiments you can add on the top of the topping. And this is their slush machine, and this is the oven. You can see. How much is the temperature inside the oven?
It's 535 degree Fahrenheit.
How much?
535 degree Fahrenheit.
Wow, great. Okay. So yeah, this is the oven. All right. Good. Let's order some food, guys, from Blaze Pizza, and then we'll review it. Okay, 3 kind of crust. Which one do you suggest?
No, which one do you like?
So we normally take your normal dough.
Normal dough.
Okay, which is the thin one.
Thin one.
So this is how they made the dough flat. Okay.
For your sauce, ma'am, which sauce you like to have?
Which sauce?
We have the spicy one, the regular one, white cream sauce,
I
and
think
pesto.
spicy red and
Okay, make it regular but little bit spicy. So first,
So you mix.
yeah, 2. So regular one and little bit spicy one.
For your cheese,
So in the cheese category, what are our options?
mozzarella cheese, parmesan, fresh olive, and ricotta.
Okay, give us mozzarella and parmesan. Like before, I used to see your mozzarella was shredded, right?
Yeah. This one is also shredded, but they changed the brand.
This is the brand. Okay. So guys, the good thing about the build your own pizza is that you can use any type of these toppings, okay, as much as you want, and everything is covered in a single pizza basically.
What about your meat, sir?
So in the meat, in the chicken, what are our options?
Chicken, we have spicy sausage,
Okay.
spicy chicken, and normal chicken.
Okay, and in meat,
In meat, we have pepperoni, salami, and meatballs.
all right. Yeah, no, that's it for the meat. And now in the vegetable section, what are our options, guys?
All of these. We have,
Well, so too many options here. Okay, so what we like is and just sea salt and oregano. So guys, look how tasty this pizza looks even before the baking part. Yeah, amazing job by our friend here. Thank you very much.
Sir. So pizza will be ready for the oven, sir.
Thank you. So what did you mention to me before? What was the temperature of the oven?
535 degree Fahrenheit.
Wow, amazing. So guys, you can see that now the pizza went inside the oven. It takes hardly like 10 minutes.
3 minutes.
Only 3 minutes, yeah? Amazing. Only 3 minutes to bake in there. So let us order some additional things with the pizza and then we will review it. So which type of 2 laminates you have? We have blood orange and passion fruit. Yeah. What is the price of the pizza?
The price for the pizza, it depends, sir. It's
In the build your own one.
The build your own is 49, sir.
Okay, so
That's
it's 49
the
dirhams. You can add all these toppings as I
There is
mentioned.
unlimited toppings.
Unlimited toppings. Thank you. And we added the lemonade as well. So
And it's refillable drinks also.
okay, thank you. Thank you. So guys, 1 minute. Let me just quickly zoom in. Our pizza is ready. Amazingly baked. Great job. Can you add the pesto?
Pesto after cut, sir.
Yes, after cut, please.
How many slices you want, sir?
Normal one, the way you normally do. So there's normal pizza is thin crust pizza, guys, and the pesto sauce is very nice for them. We are usually add it, but not too much, huh? So, okay, so this is one slice. Okay, fully loaded. Whew. The topping is falling off, so let me try. No words. Very, very nice. The the best thing about this pizza is the dough. It's thin crust, but it's very tasty. Not too much crispy, and the amount of topping and cheese is amazing. As you know, we could choose anything, so we made it full. So yeah, highly recommend this pizza. Let us dig in a little bit, and then we'll give you more detailed review on this. So yeah, you can see the sides are very crunchy. I finished the one slice. The toppings are excellent. The quality of the each and every topping is good. The only thing is that one time we tried this during Ramadan as well, and if you leave this unattended, or if you leave it to cool down a little bit, then it becomes a little different taste. But since now it's very hot, it's really good, amazing. Also try the lemonade. Wow. Sweet and tangy, very nice. So I've tried the pizza. Full review I'll give you in few minutes. We have to finish the dinner as well. Tomorrow is a school day. So one more point of comparison is that if you eat pizzas from different places, like for example Pizza Hut, so they have a different type of dough. This is very light dough. If you even eat half of this medium pizza, you don't feel heavy. This is the special thing about this one, and all the ingredients are very good. Let's go to the pizza. So what do you think about the Blaze pizza?
Blaze pizza was also good. You know, they made their own pizza. It was spicy for me, but it's not too spicy for me.
It's a little spicy for you. Eh? Maybe the pesto sauce which I put at the end, maybe that because of that.
Maybe. It's still.
Yeah, we also added the spicy sauce in the topping also. Yes. Okay. So
It
yeah,
doesn't matter. It wasn't that spicy.
wasn't that spicy? It was bearable for you. Okay, good to know.
It was also pretty good. Their pizza is amazing.
How much number will you give out of 10?
Blaze pizza and also good.
Okay, 9. Actually, for Ansar, he loves pepperoni pizzas. So today we did not put any pepperoni on the pizza because me and Sanya, we don't like that much pepperoni. But still, he gave a good rating, excellent rating, 9. So good to know. Yeah, but for me, the good thing about Blaze pizza is that you can build your own pizza, and it's not
like
super expensive also, and again value for money, and the dough is the best part for me.
It's like pizza Subway.
It's like pizza Subway. Very good comparison. Very good comparison. Okay, so that's it for today's video, everyone. Do subscribe to our channel, like the content, share the videos. We will continue these kind of food reviews for you, and see you in the next one.